In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook account private. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. You can do this on any device, whether it's an iPhone, Android, or even a desktop or laptop, but essentially open up Facebook and make sure that you're on your correct account. Once you're in, tap that menu icon down in the bottom right corner and then select the settings gear up in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and what you're looking for is this audience and visibility tab that looks something like this. And in this section right here, you're going to want to make sure that you tap on followers and public content. When you open this up, you're going to see a ton of different pages on here, and essentially you're going to want to lock things down on here. Now you don't have to lock everything, but essentially you could go to who can follow me, switch this from public to private, open up who could see your followers on your profile, put this on only me, open up who can see the people and pages that you follow, put this on only me. Essentially go through all this section and just change all of it to only me for ones that are applicable. If there's not an only me option, go ahead and set it to the most restrictive option available. Whenever you've done that, your Facebook account will be about as private as a Facebook account can get. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. Your Facebook account is now going to be locked down and private. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.